What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house. Another day, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's January 10th, 2022, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about current market overview. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, what's going on, some things I've gathered today to share with you guys about the market and where it's potentially headed. We in a bear market, we still in a bull market, what's going on. And then lastly, at the end of the video, I do want to talk about some CKB Nervos network news. Stick around, guys, I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you guys are having a great day today. I sure am. On your way in, hopefully you guys smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, or consider subscribing to my channel if you guys want to, and also put on those bell notifications so you guys get notified as soon as I upload a video. Also check the pinned comment section down below, so if you guys do want to skip ahead to the video to whatever part you want to, please feel free to. So let's jump right into market overview. Let's see, market is down about 2.78%. Let me just refresh it real quick. Bitcoin's down about 0.5%, sitting at about $41,728. Ethereum's down about 2.73%, sitting at $3,071. Binance coin's down about 3.43%. Solana's down, and Cardano's down about 4.34%, sitting at $1.13. Top gainers the last 24 hours, we had Alchemy Pay up 21.63%. Near Protocol's up about 11.15%, sitting at $14.99. Wrapped Centrifuge up 8.75%, and Cosmos is up, IOTA, but you know, some things were up today. Nothing too crazy though. Losers, Gods Unchained down about 15.96%, Ribbon Finance is down about 15.18%, and LCX down about 14.44%, sitting at about 14 cents. Let's jump over to the national holidays for today. It is January 10th, 2022. National Clean Your Desk Day, National Houseplant Appreciation Day, Bittersweet Chocolate Day, Cut Your Energy Costs Day, Fourth Graders Day, Oysters, Rockefeller Day. Not a fan of oysters. National Save the Eagles Day, and Peculiar, can't say that, People Day. So there you have it for your holidays for today. Crypto bubbles for the visual people out there, top 100 coins. See a red, it looks like, not much green, just a couple. Like I said, Near Protocol, Cosmos, Rose, which is Oasis Network. Never heard of that one. Seem to be the only ones up. Let's check out my favorites. Everything's red except for Chainlink, up 1.3%. It's at about $27.94. Man, StormX is down 5%. VGX down about 3.3%. Let's see, Sidecoin's down about 4.4%, and Avalanche down 7%. So all my coins not looking too good last 24 hours, but it's all good, guys. Total crypto market cap, we're going down a little bit from yesterday. It looks like we're at about 1.92 trillion. But yeah, down a little bit. Bitcoin dominance, though, is coming up. We are climbing up slowly but surely. Ever since this downtrend from the 19th of October down to where we bottomed out around the 4th of January, we've gone up, went down a little bit on the 9th, 10th, and then, you know, today it looks like we're up a little bit for Bitcoin dominance, so that's kind of a good thing to see. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So we went down about 2 points. We're currently still in extreme fear. We're at a 21, whereas yesterday we were at a 23 extreme fear. Last week we were at extreme fear 23. And looking at Bitcoin.com does have the Fear and Greed Index chart like visualized, and I don't know why I never found this, but this is kind of a good indicator that I like looking at, because it also can tell you, when to potentially get into the market, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. But if you just look at this chart, like whenever we've gotten really red, we've always had like a bounce back to the upside. So we're sitting pretty red right now, and I just, if the graph or the chart is accurate, we should be starting to see ourselves come up soon. I mean, how much more farther down could we get on the Fear and Greed Index with the red? So that's just a visualization. I'll just zoom in a little bit here to presently where we're at. So yeah, we kind of peaked out around a 75 around the 11th or the 8th of November 2021, and now we're down here in this extreme fear. So I just thought that was a good visualization. But we are red. Hopefully expecting a green to the upside here soon, getting back into neutral territory, and then greed, hopefully, within the next month or two. All right, so I do want to talk about Bitcoin first and what people and traders are talking about it. And this article from Cointelegraph was saying that Bitcoin price bounced to 41.5K, but derivatives data shows traders lack confidence. So Bitcoin did drop to about 39,650 early this morning. It's about a 42.6% drawdown from the all-time high we had on the 22nd of November. Some people are saying that we are in a crypto winter. We have already begun citing the 2.1 billion leverage long aggregate crypto futures contracts that were liquidated over the last 7 days. You guys can see we are in this descending triangle here, descending channel. For the last 63 days indicates that traders should expect sub $40,000 prices by February. I hope not, man. And, we have been in a downtrend with fundamentally macro perspective things that are going on. We had the United States Federal Reserve December meeting, the FOMC meeting on January 5th, which, they talked about decreasing its balance sheet and increasing interest rates in 2022. And then they also mentioned about Kazakhstan's political turmoil, pressured the markets, shutting down the internet. There's all the protests, all that crazy stuff going on over there. The futures traders, they're still neutral. And according to this chart right here, and what they're saying is that you notice how the futures market's premium did not trade below 7% over the past couple of months. It's an excellent indicator considering the absence of Bitcoin price strength during this period. So futures traders are neutral. Options traders, though, they're not as bullish. Chart right here, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but they're saying that the options markets traders are on the very edge to neutral to bearish sentiment because the indicator currently stands at 8%. Moreover, buying protective put options is becoming more expensive, so market makers and arbitrage desks are not confident that 39,650 was the bottom. And me personally, I think 38,000 is our bottom, what we could potentially see just based off the fib levels, being that a next target down to a next target for the downside. But then they're saying for the option traders that overall sentiment is pessimistic, and the 2.1 billion in aggregate futures contracts liquidation signal that derivative traders, the longs, buyers are quickly losing confidence. Only time will tell where the exact bottom is, but presently there's not an indication of strong support coming from professional traders or pro traders. So that's just a quick article on the traders and what they think about the overall market. So I thought that was pretty interesting. But talking about the bottom, I found this tweet from Income Shark saying that when you hear Bitcoin bottoms, this is what, the overall sentiment that people start saying. Charts look ugly. Markets look weak. I'm in stable coins. I think we're going to go much lower. I could see us dropping another 50%. I'm just taking a break from Twitter. This is crazy. We're in a bear market. We have a huge correction coming. There's still more room to the downside. So this is what he predicts that, prices, bottoming out for Bitcoin and whatnot, and hopefully we're going to see a uptrend here soon. And this guy down here said, this also, head and shoulders, boom. Usually when we do head and shoulders, we usually go to a break to the downside. So you see that? That's potentially another move. We got a massive head and shoulders that we have had going on for a while. So that's what people are thinking that could happen too. Jumping over to JT, he thinks we are in a bear market. Still will be waiting for a bounce, but I can say with 99% certainty, Bitcoin has entered a bear market. I still see a bounce as a corrective subwave, but I don't see us getting a huge pump higher as I did before. This irregular wave count was not something I was looking for. Add to that several other factors, including but not limited to many altcoins reaching out to fib retrace levels, including the altcoin market cap. Throw in an equity market that is soon to crash, and you have my thesis. I have never wanted to be more wrong in my life. Same here. Man, guys, I don't know. This is crazy. There's just so much like fear, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt going on in the market. I don't know. I still have that hopium. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm very transparent. But this guy definitely thinks we're bearish. And then Picasso's saying, I beg to differ. He's thinking we have the Elliot wave theory going on right now. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's kind of like where we're at right now, just depending on where is that going to be. Is that going to be 38,000 level, where then boom, we go back up to the upside? or are we still in this descending triangle and we're going to look at different fib levels for our next targets? That's what Rickus is thinking right now. He said that this C can bounce at any point in time as we are busy with wave 5 in the correction, in his opinion, but he personally will let the falling wedge in the fibs guide. So we got this falling wedge going on with Bitcoin, but then you have also these Fibonacci levels as a point of resistance. So we have that 618 right here that it's kind of bouncing off of, but if we break that, we'd be going down to this downside 0.786 as the next level of support, which looks like it's around, I don't know, 35-ish thousand. So just keep an eye on that, guys. We got the Elliot wave theory going on right now, which could potentially bring us up to the upside. But then also we have this, this falling wedge that we have going on. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Then we have CoinsKid. He's a good YouTuber, does awesome TA. He says that there's a Wyckoff pattern going on right now. It's playing out like a boss and making people think Bitcoin's in a bear market as it did in the April crash. He doesn't see a bear market yet. He'll update us once we are in one. We are still in a corrective phase of a bull market. No hopium, no BS, straight up TA. CoinsKid. Agree 100%. So yeah, guys, this is just some of the things that I pulled from the market today. A lot of people saying we're in a bear market. A lot of hopium still going on based off technical indicators and professional traders. Like I always said, and I talked about it in a video 2 videos ago, just do your own research. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to YouTubers, influencers. Just make sure you guys formulate your own opinion. I'm just here to gather all my thoughts every day and present it to you guys. So hopefully you guys thought that was a pretty good content. I try to bring you guys my thoughts throughout the whole day on the market. And jumping on over to Nervos Network. They did announce early this morning there's going to be a Binance Smart Chain ForceBridge coming. So the CKB Binance Chain ForceBridge will connect the two ecosystems and enable 36 billion in total value locked to come across to a rapidly growing ecosystem. Stay tuned for more January 13th. So this is huge news. If you guys don't know, there's Nervos Network, a lot of interoperability with their ForceBridge for different blockchains. They have Cardano, Ethereum bridge coming soon. And then now they just announced Binance. So they just want to interconnect all the blockchains. So this is some bullish news for Nervos Network. And also Yokai Swap, their DEX, they announced that the BNB CKB pairing and the BNB Yokai pairing will be available on the 15th of January on yokaiswap.com. And then in order to celebrate that, on the 13th of January, they're going to give you 30% off of Yoke for their ILL coming up. So stay tuned for that one, guys. The BNB listing is on the 15th of January at 4 a.m. UTC. But the IOL, the initial liquidity offering, will be at 13 January 2022 at 1 a.m. UTC. So just wanted to give you guys some of that news about Nervos Network for you fans out there. I love Nervos Network. I still think it's a hidden gem, still accumulating, and I'm mining it right here behind me. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. It's the least you guys can do to help support the channel. And then consider subscribing. If you guys aren't subscribed, turn on those bell notifications so you guys do get notified as soon as I upload a video. But that's all I have for you guys. Nothing too crazy today. Kind of a neutral day. Some things went up, some things went down. But same overall type of feeling with the market. People are saying we're in a bear market. Some people saying we're still in a bull market. But I remain neutral right now. I still think we're bullish. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your night. Crypto Airborne out.